Now in this lecture we will take a small numerical and we will see the use of psychometric chart to solve this numerical. Though I have used psychometric chart in my lecture, which is psychometry lecture 5, adiabatic mixing of two air stream, heating and humidification. In this also I have solved a numerical, and cooling and dehumidification. In this also I have solved a numerical, but it will be a good practice. So what is happening here? Air flows at the rate of 1 meter cube per second and it is cooled from 30 degree to 10 degree. In this process, its relative humidity reduces from 70% to 100%. It became completely saturated. So we have to find out cooling load for it. So first we will take 30 degree and 70% RH, and we will calculate, we will find out the this W1 part. This is humidity ratio. So humidity ratio at 30 degree centigrade and 70% RH. Now I am going to open the chart. So in this chart, this is 30 degree line. I am going along this line. This is 50% RH. Let me shift it here. This is 30 degree line. This is 50% RH line. This is 60% RH line, and this is 70% RH line. Now we will go along this line as the humidity ratio is given here. So it is approximately 0.0187. So we will take its value as 0.0187. And now what is another value? It is 10 degrees centigrade and 100% RH. So we will mark this point on the chart and see W here. This is 10 degrees centigrade and 100% RH. Now we will move here. Let me shift it a little bit. Now we will move along this line, and it is approximately 0.0075. So we have got both the values. Let us check. This is 0.0187 and another is 0.0075. So we have find out W1 and W2. Now we will simply put it in this equation. This is the equation we have seen before. Density, latent heat of evaporation that we can take 2500 kilojoule per kg. Air volume given in the question, and dW means W1 minus W2. So we have put all the values here. We have to specify it. We can take it as 2500, then we have to write before this that we are assuming this value. We will calculate it and get this value.